Welcome back again. What I want to do is to continue looking at Kirchhoff's laws, and we're going to look at part 5. Now please remember that this is a continuation from Kirchhoff's laws part 1 and onwards. Okay, it's just a case where I have simplified the work in stages in order to make the work more easier to understand. That's the idea behind it. Okay. Now again, you need to write out the questions as they stand initially in order to enable your own understanding as to what is being said. Now here, look at the question I have given and I've written out. Look at the voltages being applied. Draw out the circuit diagram. Okay. Now again, write out the calculations that you need to use in order to help you resolve the question which has been asked. And you'll see there I've written down to calculate A, etc., the current in the 10-volt battery, etc. Now remember that the current going through the load is equivalent to I1 plus I2. So once you have calculated I1 and I2, you simply add those values together, and that would be the current going through the load. Okay. Here again, I've drawn you the diagram. So again, take the diagram down in full. Make the diagram your own. Okay. Now here I've started with equation. Now number each equation, and you'll see I've numbered each equation as we go through them overall. Okay, make sure you apply the same principle. Number the equations, and just let's turn in on that what it says. Okay, you can see what it says and what I'm trying to say here in each case. Okay. And again here, I don't need to speak through this because you will need to write this out for yourself so you can understand the application and the principles behind the calculation of this. And once you have that equal balance and your calculation comes out, you will know that your calculations are correct. Okay, I think we'll leave it there for now. Okay, but again, please remember that you have to write out the information, draw out the diagrams, look at what's been said, look at how I have applied it, and then take it from there. You must apply the rule of mathematics, okay, which is BODMAS, or as some may have it today, BIDMAS. Okay, and you will find that application of that enables you to resolve these equations. Okay, right, let me just go back down quickly. Okay, and we'll call it a day at that point, and thank you again for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.